So we are going to solve this question of assignment. Okay, we'll just read the question once. A manufacturer of complex electronic instrument has received a stable contract and plans to subcontract part of the job. First thing is he has received some contract, a sizable contract. Okay, and he plans to subcontract part of the job. Whatever work that he has got, what do is he will subcontract something. What do you mean by subcontract? Matlab he will do something from his part, and he will also give the contract to someone else for some part of the job that he has been assigned. Okay, so he has received a contract, but he will subcontract some part of the work that he has received. He has solicited bids for 6 subcontracts from 3 firms. Okay, now you can see you can see there are how many. Let me just mute my. Now what you can see here is he has solicited bids for six subcontracts. Okay, please mute your camera. Okay, he has solicited bids for 6 subcontracts from 3 firms. Now you can see there are how many jobs to be done. There are 6 kinds of jobs. Okay, and he has got bids for 3 contracts. Okay, 3 firms from the 3 firms that he has got. Each job is sufficiently large and any firm can take only one job. Now out of the 3 firms, one firm can take only one job. Okay, so if job firm 1 is about to take job number 3, so he cannot take any job from 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so one firm can take only one job. Okay, the table below shows the bid as well as the cost estimate in lakhs of rupees for doing the job internally. Now what you can see here is, you can even see the bids like firm and job. There is 3 kinds of bid, and there is one more thing. You can see internal only also he is going to perform some work. So what I'm trying to explain here is, there are 6 jobs. Okay, number of jobs are equal to 6, matlab number of work to be performed is equal to 6. Okay, he has got the contract for all this job. Okay, he has received the contract for all job. Okay, now out of this all jobs, his firm can internally there are 6 jobs to be performed, so he has given subcontract for 3. Okay, so he has given subcontract because there are 3 firms bidding for this for him also. Okay, so he has given 3 subcontract to 3 firms. Okay, so how many jobs are remaining? If 3 jobs have gone to 3 subcontract, because one firm can only get one job. Okay, so how many jobs are remaining? 6 minus 3 will be equal to what? 3. So 3 jobs are remaining, and this job will be performed by him internally. Like he is going to do the work from his end. This work will be performed. He is not going to subcontract this job. Okay, so out of this 6 jobs, 3 jobs will be given to the 3 firms. Okay, and 3 jobs will be performed by himself, by his firm only internally. This is internal job. Okay, internal work. Okay, for 3 jobs. Now what do we need to do? We need to find the optimal assignment that will result in minimum cost. So whatever is given in this is nothing but the cost estimate. Okay, it is already shown that whatever is given in this table is a cost estimate. So what we will do here is, I'll just do one thing. I think I have explained you all the concepts. So what I'll do now, if you can see here, if I want to solve this question, we know that for solving an assignment problem, what is the first thing? The first thing is it should be a square matrix. Okay, now what we can see here is it is not a square matrix. Okay, but what we can see that internally he can perform the job. Okay, and one more thing that is given is not more than 3 jobs can be performed internally. So at the maximum, how many jobs can he perform internally? 3, but he cannot perform more than 3. Okay, so if I want to create the table for this, so what I'll create is firm 1. I'll just write it for you. Firm 1, firm 2, firm 3. Internal, how many jobs can he perform? He can perform 3 jobs. So I can write internal as internal 1, internal 2. Okay, I can write internal, whatever is given only a single row, we can write it thrice. Internal 1, internal 2, and internal 3. And we are going to put the same value again and again. 50, 65, 35, 50, 46, 63. Again, we will put the same value 50, 65, 35, 50, 46, 63. So now what you can see, there are how many rows? 6 rows. And how many columns? 6 columns. Now this is converted to a square matrix. Okay, so what is the first criteria for the assignment problem to get solved? That the matrix should be square. So even though it was mentioned that this is a non-square matrix, but since we can write internally 3 times, so it is getting converted from non-square to a square matrix. That is for sure. Okay, so we are very sure that we have converted this system into a square matrix. Now what do we need to do? If you remember, since this is cost only, all the values that are given as cost estimate in lakhs of rupees, so we know that this is a minimization problem because cost is for minimization. So we need not change it into maximization. We should keep it as it is given in the problem. Okay, so now what do we need to do? We need to find R minus R min and C minus C min, if you remember. So next step that we will do is R minus R min. Okay, I'll do R minus R min. What is the minimum in the row? R minus R minimum. What is the minimum? It is 41. So it will be 3. Next will be 26. Okay, I'll just write it. 3, 26, 0, 12, 7, and 23. Okay, next what we will write is R minus R min 40. So 6, 29, 0, 5, 5, and last one will be 68. So it will be 28. R minus R min, if we try to perform it again, I think there is someone who is having some doubt. I2 I3 क्यों लिए dummy लगा सकते थे ना, but why should we put dummy if it is told that at least, see, how many jobs can be performed internally? Not more than 3 jobs can be performed internally, correct? So why will he put dummy? Because he wants all jobs to be allocated. He has got the contract for everything. He has got the contract from job 1 to job 6. So if he allocates dummy, that means he is not going to perform 2 job work, right? So why will he not perform 2 job work? Because he has got all the contracts, so he will try to assign it to himself. Because not more than 3 jobs can be performed internally. That means that he can perform the jobs internally for at least 3, correct? Okay, so he can perform it for 3. So why will he give dummy variable to that? He will perform it by himself because he is going to get the contract. He has to finish the contract, right? Is it okay, Shahzad? If he has been given the task, then he has to perform it by himself. He can't give it to a dummy variable and not perform it. Okay. So next that we can do is 37. So what will come here is 6. 37 and 73. I think it will be 47, 57, 67. Is it 36? Just check it once. If there is some error, just let me know. Okay, 0. Then again it will be 14. It will be 7. And it will be, I think, 25. Okay. Yeah. Next will be one more thing. 50, 65, 35. Again, 35 is minimum. So this will be 15. After 15, what will come is 30, 0. Okay. Next will be 15, 11. And if it is 63, it will be 28. Is it right? So we have to write this thing thrice. We have to write it 2 more times. So we will write it for I2 also 15, 30, 0, 15, 11, 28. Again we will write 15, 30, 0, 15, 11, 28. This is form 1, form 2, form 3, right? Internal 1, internal 2, internal 3, job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will see whether we need to perform C minus C min. Yeah, there is no 0 in any other column apart from column number 3. So we need to perform C minus C min. So what we will do now is we will perform C minus C min. So if we perform C minus C min, minimum is 3, so it will be 0, 3, 3, 12, 12, 12. Next will be minimum is 26. So 0, if I'm not wrong, yeah, 3, 10, 4, 4, 4. Next will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next minimum is 5, so this will be 7, 0, 9, 10, 10, 10. Next will be minimum is 5, so this will be 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Next minimum is 23, so I think this will be 0, 5, 2, 5, sorry, 5, 5, and 5. Is it clear for everyone till here? I think there is some doubt again. 6, sir. Where is 6? What is 6? Can anyone let me know row and column at least? What are you trying to say? 11 minus 5. Okay, okay, okay. So sorry. Thank you. Just give me a second. Okay. 6, 6, 6. Is it okay now? Now, what do we need to do? Since we have got this, we will try to use Hungarian method. First thing is 4 zeros not possible, 3 zeros not possible, 1 0, yeah, we can allocate. So I'll just try to change the color for better understanding. So only 1 0 is there in this, so this will be allocated. So automatically all this will get cancelled. Now, is this possible? No, no, no. Now, in the column, we can see there is only 1 0, so this can be allocated. This will get cancelled. Okay, now there is nothing to be cancelled here. Now we will go to the next column. Not possible, not possible. Yeah, here also we can allocate something. So once we allocate, we have to cancel this. Correct? So this is also done. Now here there is no allocation. Again, we cannot allocate here because this needs to be cancelled once we have allocated this. So if you remember, what are the unallocated rows? We have to tick mark. Now we have to see in the unallocated row where there is crossed 0, okay, unallocated 0. So all the zeros, cross zeros are in one column only, so we have to mark only column 3. Now in this we need to see where there is an allocation, not on this. When there is an allocation in any of this column, suppose there were 3 columns, all were having cross zeros, so we would have seen which column would have got allocated resources. So all the columns which are having cross zeros are this only, and in this column there is only one allocation, so we will tick mark only here. Now we will see, is there any unallocated 0? No. Correct? So we can't move further. Now if you remember, we have to cross the line. We have to mark the line from untick row and ticked column. Correct? So we have drawn the line from untick row and tick column. Correct? Now what do we need to do? Since we have drawn this, if you remember, we have to find the minimum from what is remaining. So from what is remaining, the minimum is 2. Okay? The minimum value is 2. So what do we need to do? Where there is single line, it will be as it is. So this will be 0, 0. Where there is double line, there will be addition. Okay, 2, single line, 7, 2, 0. Next is again single line, 3, 3, double line, there is double intersection. So this will again become 2. This is single, 0, 0, 5. Now when there is no line, minus. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 8, single line, 0, 7, 0, 0. Next will be again 2 minus karna hai. So when we minus 2, this will be 10, this will be 2, this will be as it is, this will be 8, 4, and you know here it will be 3. Now we know that we need to repeat this same thing, correct? We need to repeat the same thing. Why do we need to repeat the same thing? Because all the rows are similar. So 10, 2, 0, 8, 4, 3, again 10, 2, 0, 8, 4, 3. Now we will again try to allocate. No allocation possible, no allocation possible, no allocation possible here. Here there is an allocation possible, so this all will get cancelled. Correct? Okay. Now no allocation possible. Now we will go to the column. There is an allocation possible here, so this will get cancelled. Okay. Now we will see column, second column nothing, third column it is already allocated, fourth column yes there is an allocation possible, so this will get cancelled. Now in the fifth also there is an allocation possible, so this will get cancelled. Okay, now unallocated row is 2, cross 0 are both in the column 3, so we can put a tick mark. Now again here there is a 0, and in this row there is no cross 0, so we need not worry about it. Okay, now untick row and tick column again. Untick row, we need to cancel untick row and tick column. Correct? So we have crossed untick row and tick column again. Now we need to find the minimum value. Again it is coming out to be 2. Okay, so what do we need to do? 0, 0, 4, 7, 2, 0, 3, 3, 4, 0, 0, 5. Next will be 1, 8, 2, 5, sorry, 7, 0, 0. Next will be, this will be how much? Yeah, 8, 0, 0. Then it will be 6, 2, 1. Again it will repeat 8, 0, 0, 6, 2, 1. Again it will repeat 8, 0, 0, 6, 2, 1. Okay. Now what do we need to do of this? We will again look for Hungarian method. If you remember the Hungarian method, first row, give me a second. 3 allocation, 3 zeros not possible, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, again 2 0, again 2 0, again 2 0, not possible. So we will go column wise. So here there is a allocation possible, so this will get cancelled, nothing to be cancelled in the column. Again 3 zeros, but here it is 1 0, so this will get allocated, everything will get cancelled. Correct? Okay, now again there is only 1 0, so this will get allocated, this will get cancelled. Okay, so now if we can see, okay, these 3 are allocated. Now what is the problem? 2 0, 2 0, 2 0, and if you go column wise, 3 0, 3 0. Correct? So the problem is there is an alternate optimum case. Okay, whenever you get 2 zeros, and if the zeros are not getting cancelled also. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to allocate anything. So suppose we allocated this. So if we allocate this, this will get cancelled. Okay, automatically once this get cancelled. Okay, now there is how much 0 in this? How many zeros? There is only 1 0 here. So automatically this will get selected and this will get cancelled. Correct? Is it okay for everyone? Just let me know if you are getting what I'm trying to explain. Should I explain it again or is it okay? Put it in the chat, it will do. Put it in the chat, it will do, so that I can proceed. Okay? Okay, now. Okay, now what we will do is, we will see unallocated. Okay, there is someone in the chat. Yeah, okay. तो अब देखते हैं कौन सा बचा है. तो only there is one row that is remaining. So we will tick mark. How many zeros are there? If you can see, there are 2 zeros in 2 different columns. So both will get ticked. In this row, sorry, in this column, there is again an allocation. So this will get ticked. Okay, this will get ticked. Now, if you look at this row, again there is an unallocated 0, but this row is already ticked. So this will automatically end the loop. Okay, now we will see at this place. At this place, there is a allocation, so this will get ticked. Okay, once it gets ticked, there is again a 0, but this row is already allocated, so we need not mark it and the loop gets completed here. So how many rows are remaining? Unticked row is 3 unticked row. And how many unticked column? Sorry, ticked column. Ticked columns are 2. Okay, now we need to find the minimum. What is the minimum? 1. So what we will do? 0. 2 intersection is there, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Again, intersection is there, so this will become 5. Remember it. Okay, 0, 1, 5, 7, 2, 0. Again, single line, no change. Double line, plus 1. Double line, plus 1. Single line, 0, 0, 5. Again, if you can see here, single line, no change. Double line, plus 1. Double line, plus 1. 7, 0, 0. No line, minus 1. 7. Single line, 0. Single line, 0. No line, 5, 1, 0. Again, single line, no line, sorry. 7, it will be same. 0, 0, 5, 1, 0. Okay. We will write it again at the end. Give me a second. 7, 0, 0. This is 0. Okay. 5, 1, 0. We will again try. There are 2 zeros, not possible. 2 zeros, not possible. 1, 2, 0, not possible. 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. Now we will go column wise. Yes, there is a possibility. This will get cancelled. There is nothing to be cancelled in the column. Now column wise, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 1 0. So this will get allocated. This will get cancelled. Okay. Column wise, 1 0. This will get allocated. This will get cancel. Column wise 3 zeros, we can't do anything. Okay, now we will do row wise 3 0, 3 0, 3 0. Column wise if you go 3 0, 3 0, 3 0. So you have to give a allocation whatever you feel suitable. There is an alternate optimum case. So I selected this will get cancelled. Okay, now if you have selected this, now if you go by row again, see 2 zeros not possible, 2 zeros not possible. Go column wise, 2 zeros not possible, 2 zeros not possible. Again there is a case of alternate optimum. You can select anything. If you select this will get cancelled, automatically this will get allocated. Okay, so what you can see here is, what was this value? Firm 1, firm 2, firm 3. Okay, firm, sorry, internal 1, internal 2, internal 3, job 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second. Give me a second. Yeah. Yeah. 4, 5, 6. Now what you can see, firm 1 will get which job? If you remember, and if you can see, firm 1 will get job 1. Firm 2 will get job 4. Okay. And firm 3 will get job 5. Okay. So these are the things that will be subcontracted. These jobs will be subcontracted to someone else. Okay. Okay, and internally, internal 1 will do job 2. Internally, second department will do job 3, and internally third department will do job 6. So if you are asked to find the minimum cost, okay, so if you asked to find minimum cost, so you can say what is the sequence 1, sorry, what is the sequence? You need to remember column 1 कहाँ पर है यार, क्वेश्चन लेकर आता मेरे. Okay, just put it here somewhere. Okay, now you can see इसको क्या मिलेगा, what will be the value costing? 44. Next is internal will be how much? Job to internally जा रहा है ना 65. Okay, right? Okay, और फॉर्म 2 को क्या जा रहा है? फोर्थ नंबर is how much? 45. If I am not wrong, just let me correct if I am doing something wrong. Okay, this will go to 44, and फिर इसको क्या मिला? 35 मिला. Okay, and इसको क्या मिला? 63 मिला. तो what will be the value? 44 plus 45 plus 44 plus 65 plus 35 plus 63. Can anyone add it for me and tell me what is the value? 45, 45, 45, 135, 133, 138, 198, 203, 233, I think 289, 299. Just add it for me and just let me know. Anyone? Just add and tell me the value. What is the value coming out to be? Minimum cost. Can anyone tell me the minimum cost? One 133, 138, 198, 203, 230. I think 299 is correct. Okay. So this value is coming out to be 299 in terms of 1000 it was there. So this will come out to be 2.99 lakhs costing for the contract to get completed by giving the three contracts to the three firms and doing the okay 296. Okay, not an issue. So sorry. So 296. Okay, yeah, 30 tha na wo. Okay, so sorry. Yes, 30 plus yeah 296 to 2.96 lakh it will be. Okay, so we are done with this question.